Hey, I want to give you a little tour of the Moodle site that we have this year. So especially this Teaching with Moodle course. So you'll click on the course. Okay, this is the general view, and I'll turn off editing so that it looks more like what you'll see. So when you log into the course, you'll see a very short outline over here. On the left side, on this side, you see the different units or modules of the course that are listed here also. If you click on the module on the left, it will take you to all the assignments for that module. You just click on it and go through. A couple other things to notice as you go through: there's a calendar on the right that shows when due dates are coming up. There will be a course completion status that will mark your progress as you go through. Over here on the left, you'll see the gradebook that isn't completely configured yet, but that will show the marks that you received. Also, there's a really cool thing called competencies. This course aligns with the International Society for Technology and Education, ISTE, competencies. And so all of the assignments, or almost all the assignments, are connected with specific competencies that you'll be marked on as proficient, not yet begun, beginning, mastering, proficient, things like that. So go ahead and start exploring it, and I think you'll have fun. Oh, one last thing I want to point out with all your Moodle courses is if you're a teacher for the course, you'll be able to come over here and turn on editing. So you have to turn editing on before you change anything in the course. And as a teacher, you can do that. Once you do that, you can click here to add an activity or resources, or edit any of the things that are on the screen in your course. So always be sure to turn on editing before you try and change things. Let's see, with adding activities or resources, I've set it up. These are the main tools that you want. Moodle has a lot of tools, but these ones, assignment, attendance, forum, label, page, and URL, are the ones that you're most likely to need for teaching, especially assignment and forum as you go through the course. Those are the two that we'll focus on most in this training. And finally, this little gear icon up here lets you go into the administrator side of the course. You won't have to do a lot in this area, but you will have to set up your gradebook, and you can do that through here or over here on the left of your screen, either one. Also, you'll have to add the students to your course. So you go down here to More and click on Users and Enroll Users. Once you get to that point, you click on Enroll Users, and I won't do this because it will show everyone's names, but you click Enroll Users, type in a student's name, and add them as a student. Be careful that when you add them, you can add them as a teacher or a manager. If you do that, then they have power over your course. So be sure you add the students as students and add co-teachers as co-teachers. So that's your little introduction, and hope this helps.